So I got this 2012 Ford F-150 and had no power at the ignition, and I had swapped out the ignition switch and was about to take that out and try to find a new one of those because I thought I didn't have any power. And I only found one video on YouTube that showed anything besides changing those out. And the problem was over here on the passenger side by the kick panel. This connector here had been kicked. Had been kicked loose, so the lock was kicked over because it sits really close to the kick panel here. So lock it back down. And we got power. Hope this helps somebody.